Hey guys, I'm Adriana and today I'm going to bring to you what's in my bag when I'm on set. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to bring on set with me is my passport. Now you need some identification to get on set. And if it's your first day on set, you're gonna need to fill out I-9s and other paperwork. I bring my passport because it's way easier to fill out your identification info with just one form versus bringing your ID and like a social security card. The next thing that I'm bringing on set with me is my script. You're an actor. This is a vital tool to being an actor. You need to have your lines memorized. Sometimes there's last minute revisions on a script. So you just need to make sure that you have your script on you so you can make sure that you know your lines and you're ready to shoot. I'm also bringing a highlighter and a pencil for my script, so if there's any updates, I can highlight it. If I need to make any changes to my script or break down new parts of my script, I can do that with my pencil. Another thing I always have on me is a notebook and a pen. So a lot of times there's very specific directions about where to park or where to go once you're on the studio lot. So having that written down and easily accessible on a notebook makes it easier for me when I'm driving to set in the morning. Also, I can jot down ideas for new videos or new script ideas, so it's really nice and handy for me to have. I'm also bringing things on set to keep me busy, like a book and or a tablet. Sometimes set days go long, and I'm talking 10, 12, 14-hour days, sometimes even longer. So you want to make sure that you have things with you that can keep you busy. I'm also bringing chargers and extra external battery packs so that my electronics are always powered up, especially for those long shoot days. I also like to bring a headset with me to make sure that I can listen to whatever YouTube videos or music or maybe a movie or a TV show on my tablet or phone while I have my downtime on set. I'm also making sure that I bring sunglasses with me, especially if you live somewhere like Los Angeles where it's sunny all the time, or maybe you're shooting during the summer months, especially when you're shooting outside. If you're outside all day, the sun does get to be something that you need to deal with, and you gotta make sure that you have the right protective eyewear for in between takes. And finally, I am bringing my business card. Now, being on set is a great networking opportunity. You have all these other creators that you're working with. So it's really nice to have business cards so that like on the last day of shooting, you can hand them out as a way for people to, follow you on Instagram or just have a way to connect with you in the future for future collaborations. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.